She hangs around the boulevard. She's a local girl with local scars. She got home late, she got home late. She drank so hard the bottle ached. And she tried and she tried and she tried and she tried, but nothing's clear in a bar full of flies. So she takes and she takes, takes and she takes. She understands when she gives it away. She said, man, I gotta get out of this town. Man, I gotta get out of this pain. Man, I gotta get out of this town, out of this town, and out of LA. She's got a gun, she's got a gun. She got a gun she called the lucky one. She left a note right by the phone. Don't leave a message, cause this ain't no home. And she cried and she cried, cried and she cried, cried so long her tears ran dry. And she laughed and she laughed, laughed and she laughed, cause she knew she was never coming back. She said, man, I'm gonna get out of this town. Man, I'm gonna get out of my pain. Man, I'm gonna get out of this town, out of this town, and out of LA. It's all she loves, it's all she hates. It's all too much for her to take. She can't be sure just where it ends or where the good life begins. So that's when I got all my shit together, man. I was headed for Alabama, you know what I'm saying? It's like, fuck LA, man, fuck LA. So she took a train, she took a train to a little old town without a name. She met a man, he took her in and fed her all the same bullshit again, cause he liked